Welcome back to my channel, where passion meets flavor. Today I'm bringing you something truly special, a gourmet style burger inspired by classic American taste, but elevated with my own signature touch. This isn't just another burger, it's a carefully crafted experience, made with dedication, creativity, and months of refining my skills to bring you perfection in every bite. From the outside it's soft, hot and perfectly toasted on the inside it's incredibly juicy, rich and bursting with flavor. A burger so delicious, it feels like something you've never tasted before. Whether you're in the United States or anywhere around the world, my goal is simple: to share recipes that you can easily recreate and truly enjoy without confusion. Just pure, satisfying results. If you appreciate high-quality food and bold flavors, make sure to subscribe to Cookanina, like this video, share it, and leave your feedback in the comments. Your support inspires me to bring you even more exceptional recipes. Now let's begin and create something truly extraordinary. Today I'll show you how to make burgers that look delicious and taste even better. Let's get started. I used 8 burger buns. I sliced the buns in half. I sliced all the burger buns. I get 1 packet National Ketchup and 1 packet Young's Mayo. I sliced the cucumber into strips. I use homemade chamois burger patties. I also sliced the burger buns. These cucumbers looked so good. I also prepped the burger fillings, tomatoes and salad. I also got 11 eggs ready. Crack 1 egg into a bowl and whisk it well. We'll fry the buns. Set them aside and fry the patties 1. Now we'll fry the beaten egg as well. Now we'll spread the egg evenly to make it bigger. Now flip it to the other side. Place the buns and patties to heat up. Let the egg cook and take out the patties and buns. Now place the patty on the bun. I've placed the patty nicely on the bun. Now we'll cut the egg as well. Now place the egg on the bun as well. Now it's time to add mayonnaise. Place the burger on the pan and spread mayonnaise on top. Now we'll spread ketchup on the burger. Now add the cucumber. Now add the salad. Add the round tomato slices. Now cover it with the top bun. And that's it, our juicy, delicious homemade burgers are ready to serve, packed with flavor in every bite. Enjoy your perfect burger. Every layer in this burger tells a story, from the soft toasted buns to the perfectly cooked patty, fresh veggies and rich sauces. 1 bite and you'll know why homemade always tastes better than anything else. Okay, bye bye my lovely friends.